this is Siggy Bear from How to Study Korean. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make really good but simple Korean food, and it's kimchi buchimgae. It's sort of a kimchi pancake. You just need three ingredients: kimchi, flour, and a little bit of sugar. That's all you need. So I have my kimchi here and have flour. For flour, if you have a gluten-free flour, you can go with it, or you can use any type of flour. You just need a little powder, and you need a bit of sugar. It's sugar could be optional. I like to use it because I usually use like really fermented kimchi, so putting a bit of sugar helps the kimchi taste like less sour. So I always like to put some sugar, and we're just gonna need a little bit of water. Okay, so I'll teach you how to make it. So you have a kimchi ready. In Korea, when you cut something, you always use the scissors because the scissors are always easier and just better, I would say. So if you go to like a Korean pork place, Korean barbecue place, they're gonna give you scissors, not knives. It's just something we always use, and it's so easy and it's easier to cut, and your hands are clean, so I like it. So you can cut it into little pieces. Okay. See? Yeah, you chop it this way, and then what you're gonna do is you can put sugar, or you can put honey, something that tastes sweet. And I'm just gonna put just a little bit, like a little bit of a teaspoon of sugar, sprinkle on top of a kimchi, like this. And I'm gonna add flour, and I don't like it floury, I don't like to put too much flour. So I show you what you can do. I would already say, I always eyeball it, like 눈대중으로 하는 거. 자, a little bit of flour, just enough to cover the kimchi that I just chopped up. But if you like it more like floury, you can put more flour. It's totally up to you. But I always like to have like a same portion, 1-to-1. See? And then this is really important. When you add water, you gotta start like by a little bit, just a little bit. Just put a little bit of water, and then stir it. Because you don't want to make it too watery, because you gotta cook it on the fry pan. So see? This is how you do it. You mix it up well. But I think mine's too thick. See? It's like a bit of a chunk of flour. See? So I'm gonna put more water. Just add just a little bit of water. Okay. Okay. Then you have a bit of water. Can you see? Oh, this is good for me. It's not too watery, but it's not too thick, so it's all set. Now you just gotta cook it up. So now I'm gonna show you how to make it. You just put some oil on the fry pan, and then I'm using an induction, and mine start from 0 to 9, and I like to put it on 8 because it should be a little hot. So let me show you how I do it. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna get a spoon. You can make any shape you want, but I like to make it into just a small circle. Just put it on the fry pan. Okay. It's like one of my easy favorite, some sort of a snack, because like Korean, we all have a kimchi and flour. Everybody has flour, so it's just something you can make anytime. Okay. Okay. And what I like about this buchimgae is you can make it into vegan or vegetarian food. I like it crispy. So this is done. Just gotta get a nice plate. Guys, look at this. This is all ready to eat. This is something very simple but really tasty. So I hope you guys enjoy and I come up with another recipe. Thank you for watching How to Study Korean YouTube. Bye guys.